The Lastempa Mini dual-speed sewing machine is an excellent choice for beginners and experienced users, offering a user-friendly design that is perfect for family sewing projects. With its dual-needle system, this sewing machine can handle heavy fabrics such as denim with ease, ensuring strong and durable seams. The dual-speed control feature allows users to switch between manual and foot pedal operation, catering to both novice and advanced sewing enthusiasts. Featuring 16 stitch modes, the machine provides ample creative options, from straight stitches to decorative zigzags and buttonholes. Designed to be kid-friendly, the Lastempa Mini operates quietly, making it suitable for family environments where peace is valued. The machine's quick setup, complete with pre-threaded bobbins and color-coded threading paths, ensures that users can start sewing without hassle.